Looking for the best way to clean up large outdoor or indoor areas without breaking a sweat? Stick around because today we're ranking the top manual push sweepers from the ones that barely make the cut to the absolute best performer. Starting off at the bottom of our list is the Vivore S131A. While it looks solid on paper and is a great entry-level choice, it simply doesn't stack up to the rest in terms of performance and features. If you've never used a sweeper before and want something straightforward, this might be worth a look, but keep your expectations in check. Now, to its credit, the VEVOR model is light, easy to push, and folds up nicely when you're done. It handles small debris just fine and works on a range of surfaces like concrete, tile, and even marble. And with a 5-gallon waste bin, it can get through a decent amount of cleanup before needing to be emptied. But there are a few things holding it back. The side brushes can't be adjusted, which means it's not great at hugging edges or adapting to uneven terrain. Replacement parts aren't available, which is a real downside if anything breaks. And while it's light, that also means it can feel a bit flimsy compared to the others. If you're on a tight budget and just want something for light-duty cleanup at home or in a small shop, the Vivore S130A could work. But for anything beyond casual use, you'll want to step up. By the way, we've added links to all the sweepers featured in this video down in the description, so check those out for the best prices. Next up is the Kärcher S4 Twin. It improves on the VEVOR in several ways, but still falls short of the top contenders. It's built with more polish and attention to ergonomic details, which makes it more enjoyable to use overall. This Kärcher model sweeps up a bit wider and has a solid waste bin that's easy to empty. The handle is adjustable, the side brushes are more effective, and you can get through an impressive 26,000 square feet per hour. It's also whisper quiet, which makes a big difference if you're working in a noise-sensitive area. Still, it's not without flaws. While it's more capable than the VEVOR, it can still struggle with wet or uneven surfaces, and it doesn't come with wet brush support out of the box. It also lacks the heavier-duty build quality of higher-end models. If you're looking for something a little more refined for a medium-sized area, maybe a driveway, garage, or small warehouse, the Kärcher S4 Twin is a reliable pick. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest, hands-on product reviews. At number 3, we've got the Haaga Starmix 255. Now this one's a bit of a surprise. It may be compact and lighter than the others, but don't let that fool you. It's efficient, reliable, and built for long-term use. What really sets this one apart is the dual-disc brush system. It gives you great control and coverage, especially for tight spaces. It's excellent at grabbing fine dust and small debris that other sweepers often miss. The 6.6-gallon waste bin is just right for most tasks, and it's super easy to empty and clean. Plus, it folds flat and stores like a dream. On the downside, it's not ideal for huge areas. With a narrower sweeping width and a lower overall performance output, this one isn't built for sprawling parking lots or industrial-sized jobs. But in its weight class, it punches above its weight. This one is great for homeowners, small businesses, or anyone needing a nimble, effective sweeper for tight or indoor spaces. It's especially handy for folks who want a lightweight option without sacrificing cleaning performance. Coming in strong at number 2 is the Lucid JL200. This thing means business. With the widest sweeping path in the bunch and a huge waste container, it's built for serious cleanup jobs. Think warehouses, sidewalks, or big garages. The 41-inch width is a real time saver, and the 13.2-gallon bin means you can go longer without stopping to empty. The adjustable handle makes it surprisingly easy to handle for its size, and it folds up neatly when not in use. It's made of durable materials that'll feel like they'll last for years with proper care. There are a couple of limitations though. The side brushes don't adjust, so it's not as flexible in tight corners. And like others in its class, it doesn't offer any way to replace worn-out parts easily. Also, it's a little heavier, which might be an issue for some users. If you've got a lot of space to cover and want something that can keep up without constant emptying, the Lucid JL200 is a fantastic pick. It strikes a great balance between capacity and ease of use. And finally, taking the top spot in today's roundup, the Kärcher S6 Twin. This is the sweeper that checks all the boxes. It's got power, capacity, convenience, and build quality all wrapped into one slick package. It's the widest Kärcher model in the lineup and can sweep over 32,000 square feet per hour, which is seriously impressive. The 10-gallon bin holds plenty of debris, and it's just as easy to empty as the smaller models. You get the same quiet, smooth operation and ergonomic design Kärcher is known for, but with the performance scaled up to handle even larger jobs. Now sure, it's a bit heavier, and some folks might prefer a more compact model, but if you're looking for the best balance of performance and user comfort, this is the one. No real complaints here. The S6 Twin is perfect for commercial use, large properties, or anyone who just wants to invest in a high-quality tool that can handle serious cleanup. It's efficient, reliable, and built to last, which is why it's our #1 pick. Alright, that wraps up our look at the best manual push sweepers out there. Don't forget, you'll find links to all these models with the best available prices right down in the description. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe for more top product reviews. Thanks for watching.